This is a demonstration of how to use ProPhrase AI to reply to a conversation within Gmail. This also works with company-branded Google email interfaces. To draft a response using AI, open an email you'd like to reply to, and then click the reply field to begin writing. You'll then see the ProPhrase bubble pop up. Click the orange lightning bolt to activate the AI reply feature. The expanded window will display the sender's intent, as well as 3 suggested responses. Click the plus button to add additional guidance to any of the responses, and the blue arrow to generate an AI reply. If the reply is too long, you can adjust the length by following the same steps to generate a shorter response. Once satisfied, click the Insert button to place the AI reply into the body of the email you're working on. This allows you to make any final edits before sending. Replying to emails can be this easy using ProPhrase AI. Visit our website at prophraseai.com to learn more.